that part, the whole top. Sorry, I didn't. Well, I posted this, but it's on my live. But I'll show you guys the rest of the progress today. Yeah. You good? All right. Oh, hold on there. Hold on there, brother Mayan. Now, I'm sure I had my sandpaper somewhere. It'll be alright. It shall be alright. Going in with the 40 grit, don't forget that. Just to take the paint off. But no, but if you guys aren't follow when I do my live streams. Like, I barely do them, but like I just had one for like, I don't know, like 30 something minutes, you know, while I was sanding the whole thing down, talking and stuff, you know, putting music on. Somebody was talking about like a Nido or something. I don't know what it was called. They were like, what happens when you pop a Nido? I was like, I don't know. I think liquid comes out. You know, I might need to get a new piece of sandpaper. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back at it, you know. Okay, that is completely irrelevant to what we're doing. Do-do-do-do-do. Moon active. Alright. Two. Grab another piece. See if they gave me my bonus. See if they give me my bonus right quick. Alright, have this going in the background. Bam. 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 Another raid. Bam. 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 What the dog doing? Alright. Let's get back on track now. Yeah, I know my videos are bad, but you gotta start somewhere. Gotta start somewhere, buddy. Trying to be like Fast Life Nick and SRT Lynn and all those people. Just be like, I know where you live. What did the dude from Taken say? I don't know. That movie was so long ago. You guys might be a little bit too old for that one. I will find you. And I will. Oh, buddy. I think the dude was a cop. Yeah, you know, I might have a bit of bumper dust on me. You know, I can't fucking talk. Yeah, that's a high spot. Post a part 3, or I might just pause it, you know. I'll see you guys later when I'm a little bit further down the road. All right, we're back at it. Gotta plug my phone in for this one. up, buddy? Brother, not yet. Alright. There is people who like to wet sand, but that just takes longer. And I really think that's for the paint itself. Me, I'm trying to take the paint off. That's why I'm going to my dry sandpaper. Yeah, this is our progress right now. I know you guys are gonna want to see this, but we did that. We did the top. We are still working on that. You know, there's still some more that needs to be done right there, right there. Yeah. Still need to do that bottom part. This part right here. You know. If you don't know, now you know. Right. Back at it. Oh, brother. Here it is. Here it is. You know, no one actually makes an in-depth video of them painting the bumper. They're always like, oh, look at it, it's done. You know what I mean? But I'm showing you the hard work. Showing you the work and then showing you step by step by step. You know? Man, if I had one of Adam Sandler's, I'd be like, but you know me, I'm not paying $70 for that. Little heart. Yeah, we're not done yet. We're not even close to being done yet. Alright. Work on the top of this lip now. Alrighty, buddy. let's wipe all this off real quick. One bag of water and a towel. Well, let's actually use a t-shirt. Oh. Got the t-shirt, the shop shirt. Holy cow. Yeah, that's why we wipe it down. See where we need to sand more. And where it's fine. But you guys still paying attention? You know, we're 22 minutes into this video. You guys probably clicked off already. But if you're still here, I appreciate you. Yeah, no. Alright. So you see how there's no more gloss to that? So I'll sand it down. Well, that's kind of the gloss, but they got paint all over it. And I don't want to keep it black. I want to put it glitter purple like the rest of my car. So that's why we're doing this. Alrighty. Let's just see. back at it. You're either hardly working or you're working hard, as they say. I'm working hard at this. You know, I don't even think they sanded down the rest of the car when they painted it, because I wasn't the one who painted that. That don't mean I'm gonna angle. You know, I'm doing this the right way. Well, at least I think I am. I don't know. Might need a new piece of sandpaper. Where did I put my other half now? Oh, found it. Probably gonna